Hey friend, in this video, we are going to be talking about the importance of copying. Now that might come as a surprise to some of you, hearing a professional artist, somebody who teaches other artists how to develop their own style, find their voice, and be their own individual artist, telling you guys, encouraging you to copy other artists. But the truth is, especially in the very beginning stages, or when you're trying to try your hand at something new and learn something in order to grow in your technical skills or in maybe particular subject matters that you haven't tried before, copying is absolutely essential. Replication is the way to develop your style and find your voice as an artist. There's no other way to it. Musicians have been doing this for years and years. Artists have been doing this for millennia as well. Some of your most favorite artists, the masters like Leonardo da Vinci, actually learned by replicating. So as a beginner, this is your little permission slip to go ahead and copy your artist. Now, let me pump the brakes a little bit. I'm not saying that you should go copy an artist, post it online and sell and generate revenue from something that you've copied. That is obviously crossing the line. However, copying to learn something, replication, doing something over and over again to grasp how to develop the muscle memory, the skills, the technical skills, all of that is absolutely necessary. Something that I find in teaching hundreds of thousands of people in my online courses and also in these YouTube videos is that so many beginners are overwhelmed with being a beginner. They don't know where to start, they don't know what supplies to buy, and then throw on top of it, you're supposed to figure out what you like to paint and what your style is without feeling like you're a copy machine, and that's just not the truth. So start where you need to start by replicating what you need to replicate in order to grasp those skills, in order to develop that muscle memory, and then you can continue to evolve and grow and try new things, incorporating those little pebbles along the way on your path to discovering your own voice, your own style as an artist. So my recommendation or take-home activity from this video, if you will, is to find 2 or 3, the more the merrier, paintings that you really love from 3 different artists, and use elements from each one of those paintings as your replication guide. So maybe you really like the colors, the color palette that somebody's using in their floral painting that this one artist is using, but you like the shapes and the style or the technique that this other artist is using. Combine those elements to put your own twist on replicating or copying other artists' work, so you don't feel like you're a direct copy machine every single time you sit down to paint. Obviously, following a tutorial or doing something step by step, like following along with my everyday watercolor books or something like that, you are literally replicating the exact steps. The how-to or tutorial aspect of that is the nature of that specific medium. So that is totally encouraged. So if you need books or recommendations for how to branch out and learn new things with your art, I recommend checking out my Amazon page, jennarainey.com/Amazon. I have a whole book section on there that has a bunch of art books that have totally transformed the way I do art and the way I've developed my style as an artist. So make sure you check that out. And let me know in the comments below if you have a tip or maybe you found something along the way in your artistic journey that's helped you develop your style and find your voice as an artist. Drop them in the comments below. It's so helpful reading through those comments for me as an artist, but then also all the other people watching this video. I encourage you to go read the comment section. There's always helpful tips in there. Per usual, thank you so much for watching our videos. Make sure if you're new to watercolor or new to this channel, make sure you check out the Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor ebook and the corresponding free video course that we have on this YouTube channel. They are going to kickstart everything for you in terms of watercolor, from techniques, supplies to use, color theory, and beyond. And then check out my course, The Art Within, if you want to learn how to develop your own style as an artist. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.